Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change basically like the text animation style on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text and just write whatever you want. I'm just going to literally type in whatever you want. And then you are going to, well, I'm going to change the font. You don't have to. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to select animation. Some of it will show for certain types of animation. Some it doesn't show, like these ones doesn't show. Okay, this fade in showed. So you can fade it in by word, but it is a pro feature here. You can add it word per word instead of like just by sentence here. There's also like one where you can change the direction of it, I think, but only a few. You have like these styles, like this bounce, and you can select by word or even by character, which is very cool. That's still the same. So only a few amount of these like styles, like these text animations, sorry, you can like adjust these styles like by this. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!